Checking your transaction history on Revolut is a straightforward process that allows you to keep track of your spending and manage your finances effectively. Follow these steps to access your transaction history. Step 1. Open the Revolut app. Launch the Revolut app on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your account with your credentials. Step 2. Navigate to the Accounts tab. Once you are on the home screen, locate and tap on the Accounts tab at the bottom of the screen. This will take you to your account overview. Step 3. Select the relevant account. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Access transaction history. After selecting the account, scroll down to find the transaction history section. Tap on it to view a detailed list of all your transactions. Step 5. Filter and search transactions. To make it easier to find specific transactions, use the filter or search options available. You can filter by date, type of transaction, or amount to quickly locate what you need. By following these steps, you can easily check your transaction history on Revolut. Regularly reviewing your transactions can help you stay on top of your finances and make informed spending decisions.